Okay, hello guys, my name is Tavio Gresna Bandura Arianto, and today I want to explain about mobile design on big screens. And this video is made for completing human-computer interaction assignment. And before I explain more, let me turn off my camera so you can see the PowerPoint clearly. Okay, so this is our agenda. What are we gonna talk about? Okay, so the first one is web design. So web design refers to the design of websites that are displayed on the internet, and it usually refers to the user experience aspects of website development rather than software development. A good web design is easy to use, aesthetically pleasing, and suits to the user group and brand of the websites. So, the influence of responsive web design on the website. Therefore, responsive web design advantages that I already analyzed, and they are attract a wider audience, easier to maintain, consistency in design and brand, and improve conversion rates. Okay, so the fact that CPU, memory, network speed, storage, and so many other aspects that need to be first level concerns, I will argue that for most sites, the compromise for small screen devices has gone about as far as the ever-maligned hamburger menu and largely stopped there. This problem sometimes can called be as mobile design on a big screen. Okay, so the next is the result of my analysis, and there are three websites that I already analyzed. The first one is Shopee, which Singaporean multinational technology company which focus mainly on e-commerce. And the next is JDID, which China's e-commerce company headquartered in Beijing, and Facebook, which American online social media and social networking service owned by Meta Platforms. So the first website is Shopee. So in here there are two images. The first is Shopee web view zoom 100% and 25%. The next is mobile view of Shopee application. So in image 1, Shopee web has a fairly large display. The display is too large, which causing Shopee web to have two scroll bars. In here, two scroll bars, you can see that. And while in image 2, Shopee web has a smaller display, but with a view like that, the scroll bar that originally had two left only one scroll bar. As you can see, when the zoom is 25%, the scroll bar left become one, just one. Okay, for comparison, an example of the Shopee mobile display has been provided in image 3 in here. So it can be seen that the Shopee web doesn't have a good appearance because it is actually a display for mobile, but it used for the website. The second website is JDID. So this is the web view of the JDID, and the next is the mobile view of the JDID. So just like in Shopee, as we can see that in image 4 on the JDID website, there is also a page where there is a mobile display that is used as a web display, thus making the display on the web too wide and making the display look bigger. For comparison, in image 5, a mobile display for JDID has been provided, and it is clearly that the JDID mobile display has not changed on the web, thus making the display on the web look wider. Okay, so the next website is Facebook. There are two images in here, and also mobile view of the Facebook itself. So in this section, yes, Facebook is one of the platforms that still use a mobile display on its website. Basically, Facebook does have an official website or a platform for their web-based platform, but it is possible that Facebook still operates their m.facebook.com on their website. It can be seen in image 6 and 7, where the display on Facebook on the website looks very wide and the image displayed are very large, and it can be compared with image 8 in here as a comparison between the appearance of Facebook on the web and the mobile. So what is the conclusion? So the conclusion is there are still several websites that have a display that is not appropriate or doesn't match the device used. This causes image or display on one device and another to become uncoordinated or even causing the page to become cluttered. By utilizing responsive web at the time of website creation, it will greatly affect the appearance of the website so that the website doesn't become part of mobile design on big screen, which is a topic that is currently being discussed today. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day. Thank you.